Hey everybody, welcome back. As many of you know, I'm building a camper from scratch and I attach all the insulation with this caulk gun and some PU glue. But I went already through 40 of these tubes and I have 40 more to go. So this is very unpractical, but I don't see the point of buying a caulk gun just for this job. So let's make something. This brushless drill is very powerful, so I switch it down to 1, so I have more control over it, but slow and steady. It works pretty good. Can speed it up. Not meant for precision work, but for my use it's perfect. And it took me maybe 5 minutes. I can easily twist it and release pressure so I don't get any drips. Let's give it a try. Change the tube and off we go. This turned out way better than I expected, and all you need is a piece of threaded rod, a Nutsert and a caulk gun. If you are interested in the camper build, it's over here somewhere. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!